Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be budgeting for the second half of January. If you guys haven't checked my first budget for this month, go ahead and check that out first before watching this video because it's going to make more sense. I am budgeting a little bit differently this month because my husband is away. So yeah, you won't be seeing me budgeting for food or gas or anything because I already budgeted that in the first bi-weekly budget. So this is just like the excess. But yeah, be sure to check that out before watching this video. If not, you know, welcome to my channel. So I am using the Caffeinated kit. I bought this like monthly budget stickers because I do budget twice a month. I just thought, why not get like these stickers? Let's go ahead and do the title. I'm just gonna take this and that's pretty much in the middle. Okay, genuine budget. And I'm gonna take this here. Just gonna lift the sticker up here. All right, there we go. Instead of using these stickers, I think I'm gonna be using these flag stickers. Let's see, I'll use this one for my bills. Okay, yeah, let's do it right here. And maybe I can I'll use this one for my bills. So the only bills that I have this month are AT&T, which is my cell phone, Chase, my Chase credit card, my Slate credit card, my Kirby vacuum, and my Citi card. Okay, and then the cost of everything, AT&T, it's about $160. Chase, I am paying $182. My Slate card is $25. My Kirby is $75.47 and $850. I thought that I would be able to pay off my Citi card this month. The total is $1,305, but this month I'm only paying off $1,000, which is still pretty good. So I'll just have to pay the remaining $300 in the next paycheck, I guess. Yeah, okay, so I have those down. I'm going to do, let's see here, put down this. So I'll put down this for savings. I don't think I'm gonna be saving anything in this paycheck, but I'll just put down like this is my savings. I don't think I'll be saving anything just because I already saved in my last budget and I don't think I'll have enough to save, but I'll just put it down here. Like if there's anything else extra, I guess. I'm just gonna leave that blank for now. And then lastly, just living expenses. I think I'll just use this for living expenses. So the only thing that I have is for my husband. I think he needs some spending money. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put in $50. And then also taxes, filing taxes. I think the earliest that you can file taxes is sometime later this month. So I'm just gonna budget $50 for that and just keep that aside. And then miscellaneous is gonna be about $50. And that's gonna be a cash envelope. Okay. And then I think that's about it. I'm just gonna add some finishing detail to the bottom here. Okay, I almost forgot. I wanted to put the total. So she has like this total part, but I already like pre-cut this with my X-Acto knife to make it into a little flag. So see, it's kind of like, it's supposed to be like this full line, but I just cut this into a flag because I thought it was cute. And for the total of everything comes out to 14.42 and 47 cents. Okay, I wanted to put down some notes, so just for next month. Let's see, what can I use? Oh, I'll use these cute little stickers. Notes. I need to pay off city. And that's gonna be, I think, it's gonna be $305. Another note here. I'm gonna start paying off my Slate card, so that's gonna be the next thing for next month. Oh, and then I have to remind myself, I think for next month my husband's pay is actually going to go down because when you're in the military, you get pay called, I think it's BAS, which is Basic Allowance for Sustenance or something like that. It's about $300 something for the military member, but if he's not here, they take that away, so they take that out of the income. So I'm just gonna make a note of that as well. No BAS in Feb. I'm just gonna have to double check on that. Yeah, so basically, like, because he's not here and he's over there training, the $300 is gonna be for like feeding him and all that stuff. I know that this bi-weekly paycheck is kind of like weird in comparison to my older budgets, but it's just because since he's gone, I have to make like a bunch of changes. But then there's also goals that we can accomplish, financial goals that we can accomplish. If you guys have any questions about this bi-weekly budget, please let me know in the comments. I know it's a little weird, but we're just trying to adjust because he's gone. And most likely next month's budget is going to be similar to how we did it for January. And then when he deploys, that budget's gonna be different as well. So there's gonna be a lot of changes this year, but it's okay, we can manage. Thank you guys so much for watching. Also, thank you guys so much for the support. You guys have been so great. And I hope you guys enjoyed this budgeting video. I will see you in my next one. All right, bye guys.